Jai Ho students, welcome to SKCBSE's DG Vidya class session. Dear students, in previous class session we have discussed the different types of numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, as well as we have discussed what are rational numbers. In class 7th standard, we have discussed natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. We have also studied the properties which are applied, which are used for the different types of numbers. So do you remember which are those properties? Yes, those are closure property, commutative property, distributive property, associative property. So many properties you have applied for the whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Now we have to apply in this topic. We have to use these all properties on rational numbers. So before to start that, first in the brief we have to see that what are rational numbers, what are the types of rational numbers, and how to add, subtract, multiply and divide. So those all we have seen. Clear? So now we have to see what are rational numbers. So dear students, what are rational numbers? The numbers which are expressed or which are written in the form of, expressed in the form of, P by Q, where P and Q are integers. What type of integers? Any integer. It can be positive integer, it may be negative integer, or it may be a zero. But the Q should not be zero. This denominator should not be zero. P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to zero. Are called, what do you call them? Are called rational numbers. Are called rational numbers. These are rational numbers. Example we can give for rational numbers. Many examples we can give. Which are those? 5 by 7. Here, minus 3 by minus 71. 4 by minus 13. Minus 15 by 73. Yes, so many examples we can do for the rational numbers. And we have also discussed there are two types of rational numbers. So which are those? Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. What are positive rational numbers? The both P and Q are, either positive or negative. Then that rational number is called a positive rational number. So first, what is positive rational number? The rational numbers which are having both P and Q are either positive positive or negative. Both P and Q are positive or negative. Then they are odd. They are positive rational numbers. They are positive rational. Then they are positive rational numbers. So can you tell from the example which are positive rational numbers? So here both P and Q are either positive or negative. Here both P and Q are positive, then positive rational number. Both P and Q are negative, then also it is a positive rational number. So examples. So examples you give for positive rational numbers. That is here only from minus 31 by minus 51. Positive rational number is 15 by 26. Positive rational number. Both P and Q are negative. Positive rational number. Both P and Q are positive. Then also positive rational number. 101 by 100. So these all are what type of rational numbers? Positive rational numbers. Next, what are negative rational numbers? Another type of number is, which is that, what are negative rational numbers? What are negative rational numbers? The rational numbers which are having either, not both, either P or Q positive. Positive or negative? Negative. Then we can say they are negative rational number. Next one, the rational numbers. The rational numbers which are having either P or Q is negative. Then they are negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Example, can you give examples? Some examples? Yes. Minus 17 by 35. Here only one, either P or Q. So P is negative, so it is negative rational number. 27 by minus 25. This is also negative rational number. Minus 1001 by 1002. This is also negative rational number. So we can give many examples for the negative as well as positive rational numbers. Now, by seeing these all examples, one question arises in the mind, that is 0 a rational number or no? Is 0 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number, but it is neither positive nor negative rational number. So this is most important note you have to remember. What is that note? What is that note? 0 is neither positive rational number nor negative rational number. Clear? So write it. Very important. 0 is neither positive neither positive nor negative rational number. It is rational number, but neither positive nor negative. Why? Because we can write 0. Yes, 0 by minus 13, its value is 0 only. Yeah. So by negative rational number definition, we can say this negative rational number. The same 0 by 13 also we can write. This value is also 0. Yeah. So this is neither negative nor positive rational number. Yeah. Understood? So 0 is neither positive nor negative integer rational number. Okay. So next class we discuss about the properties on rational numbers. Yeah. Which are those properties we have discussed till 7th standard. So far we have discussed that closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, identity property, yeah, additive inverse, additive identity, so many, multiplicative identity, many properties we have discussed for till integers. In the next class we discuss properties on rational numbers. So all properties we have to apply for addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, as well as division of rational numbers. So till then, take care.